Choppers, what's going on? Let's like the stream. Let's like the stream. Let's like the stream. It's not a good day for me. Not a good week at all. I'm on a recovery mode. 2 trades so far for the week. Lost both of them. It's not a good week for me. But yeah, let's see how we can bounce. There's that bullish momentum coming in, as we have said in the morning that we are going to look for buying opportunities. Why? Because retail traders are definitely going to sell at this point, right? Because they will think it's a continuation of this downward trend, and that's why they get stopped out on the wrong direction. Euro dollar now already up by almost 0.8%. So that gives you an idea of what's to come today, right? We also had news coming in at 3:30, unemployment claims. Oops, what's going on? Right, target was 2.8 and seems like they've reached their 2.8, but still we find the euro dollar, or the dollar rather, a bit weak today. So yeah, let's see who's in the house. Game XAUUSD is in the house. We've got Rory, our deputy president, is in the house. GameX is saying 3 weeks of chopping the markets, getting out of the wood next year. Nice one, my friend. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Ladies and gentlemen, please like the stream and comment something on the comment section there. Let us know where you are watching us from this afternoon. It's a rainy day in Gauteng. Hope that wherever you are, you're enjoying the rain if you're in Gauteng. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my painful experience with the WTI. So I had 2 cases where this thing hits my stop loss and goes my direction. Painful to see. I was stopped out yesterday at $69 a barrel. This is where I got stopped out, and this thing went and hit my TP. And then on the other day as well, I had the similar situation where I got stopped out here and it went my direction, right? So yeah, it's just one of those things that happens. But yeah, we take it as it is, right? I want to see where can we have our key significant area. Currently trading at $68.89 a barrel. This is where we are currently sitting on WTI. Tell you what, anything that will break above this level here, if we do break above this level, I'm gonna look for buying opportunities here to the upside. But maybe this price might not even hold and we might see a drop. Anything that will come back, then maybe that's when I'm going to look for selling opportunities. POC currently trading at $68.97. That's where we're currently having our POC at the moment. So I'm just watching that price there and see how I'm going to take advantage of it, right? Euro dollar. So those that have attended the morning session, you should be killing the euro dollar by now. You should be killing the euro dollar by now. Lebs is saying, I think you should avoid using a stop loss, Mr. Givens. Believe in yourself. No, my friend, I can't. Tell you what, Levo, I've been there before, my friend. I've been there before. Nope, stop loss will always be there. You know why I like, to be honest with you, the reason why I like stop loss, ne, is that I think I'm just too obsessed with, I need to withdraw money month end. So me not utilizing stop loss, I tend to see myself breaking even week in, week out, month in, month out. I would break even because it will take 3 days, maybe sometimes, to come back to my position. So I just wanna be disappointed when it hits my stop loss and look forward. I'm just used to the pain of losing money, and it's no longer pain, it's just operations. Okay. We also spoke about this in the morning. $1.26. This is where the British pound was trading at, and we said that high chances that this level was going to be violated. We are now currently trading at $1.2666. Where can we find next resistance on this one? British pound USD up by 0.77%. Just want to mark this level. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like the stream. Please ensure that you like the stream. Gold. What are we doing with gold today? going to have a reevaluation on this one. Let's try to make sense out of this gold, right? We are now trading at $2,651 an ounce, right? I don't know, but in my eyes, I don't think this gold will hold there. I don't think gold will hold here. I wouldn't be surprised to go above. I'm just doing a re-evaluation on it, right? So yeah, bullish on gold, bullish on euro dollar, bullish on British pound USD, NASDAQ. Okay, so we're also trying to make sense of NASDAQ. It took 1 day for this price to come from 20,896 to 20,300, right? So it took a day. Look, this is a day's work, and I think obviously that was last week, I think. Yeah. So let's try to make sense of it. It took 1 day to cover a distance of 20,900 to 20,300. It took a day, but it's taking how many days to go to the same distance? I always say this example to you, that don't be caught on the wrong side. If from PTA to JHB, right? I like using this example because it makes sense, right? At least to me, it does make sense, right? So I'll just write here 2, right? So from Pretoria to Johannesburg, kilometers wise, it takes, let's say, 40 kilometers. From Pretoria to Johannesburg. Now from Johannesburg to Pretoria, right, takes PTA. I'm expecting the same kilometers, isn't it? Same kilometers, using the same route, by the way, right? No shortcuts, no alternative routes, right? So if from PTA to Johannesburg, it takes me 40 kilometers. So that means from Johannesburg to PTA, I'm expecting 40 kilometers. But let's try to make a sense of this NASDAQ. From 20,900 to 20,300, it took a day. Why is it taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? It's taking 8 days to cover the work that was done in 1 day, right? And that is the market speaking to you. It's sending a message to you that either there is no much momentum to the upside, or there are some others that are being currently picked right now to trap people on the wrong side. Okay, those are 2 things. So I can only buy if I'm above 20,900. That's when I can buy. As long as I'm below that, this thing can easily drop to the downside, right? So that's my take on NASDAQ. On US30, I'm bullish, and this is what I mentioned to the team yesterday, or this morning rather, that I need to retest 44,800 for me to go to the downside. Why? Is because US30 is expensive now, trading at all-time highs at 44,874. It's too expensive for me to look for opportunities. Fixed variable range, we've got our POC trading at 44,689. Therefore it will make sense for me to look for selling opportunities just there, right? So yeah, German, German, we are still trading within a box. We've marked this box for quite some time now, a long time ago, where we find our POC point of control at 19,243. We said we break above, retest, we go to the upside. Yeah, but we are still playing within a box, right? Anything that comes below 19,000, I'm gonna look for selling opportunities. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as bullish as it is. I don't want to interfere too much on it and mess up the the formula. So yeah, my analysis this morning, remember during the live stream, I wanted to catch AUD USD. I wanted to catch it here at 65 cents. I didn't have an opportunity. Also wanted to catch it here, did not have an opportunity. However, I let it slide and I said I'm gonna get some buy opportunities if I'm above this level. So yeah, I think during the live stream today, I'm definitely looking at buying this thing to the upside. If we come back maybe to that 64 cent mark, then I can buy this thing to the upside. That's AUD USD. So what's number one on my watch list today? Obviously WTI is my favorite these days, but yeah, it's Dermakar today. It's moving all over the place and it's not giving me some nice setups there. Euro dollar, I want to see how we drop to the downside and how we are going to handle these lows here. I want to see how we handle these lows here and I can make a decision from there. British pound USD, same. Okay, Rory is saying we must look at the heat map. US dollar today, we have the US dollar weak, so the US dollar is quite weak today, followed by the AUD as well as the Canadian dollar. Japanese yen strong, quite impressive work from the Japanese yen today. Hong Kong dollar weak as well. Singapore dollar holding some ground there. I think it's a bit neutral. Chinese yuan also weak against the majors. So euro as well is quite holding ground, but British pound, it seems like it's bullish today and is quite strong. Only weak against New Zealand dollar as well as Japanese yen. As you see, New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen, they are the strongest today. Is it Toby Lemonke saying, I'm new on the channel even though I'm always watching, Mr. President. Good to see you, my friend. Thank you so much for the support. Rory saying British pound USD gave a fake out for sales on 30 minutes time frame in London session, looking for it to reach $1.27 by the end of the day. Where are we currently trading now? Currently trading at $1.2658. Yeah, maybe I think we can. I'm just looking at that retracement at 786. Maybe this is where we can find some retracement back to the downside. I think today I'm gonna be a bit aggressive on my trading. I think I'm gonna be a bit aggressive today. Yeah, I'm just going to be a bit aggressive today. Wish me well, guys. Like I said, I'm on a raid this week. I'm on a serious raid this week. Just going to be a bit aggressive today, but it's in line with my strategy, in line with my rules, so I'm not breaking any rules, right? But yeah, don't be surprised today if you see me go hard. It's Mr. President, what's happening? All right, so it seems like we broke below $68.77 on WTI. Let's see how we are going to handle this level here, $68.48. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, as I promised last time, that we're gonna have a video about taxation, right? So yeah, the video will be out just before Friday. Let me say by Friday the video will be out. This might be a good entry for gold, but I think the safest will be at 2,659. Please kindly let me know if Telegram is working. Is your Telegram working? I can't seem to log. I can't log in on my Telegram account. Am I the only one experiencing this? Please assist me, Chopper there. Whew, look at that WTI. Okay, it seems like maybe it's my only thank you guys. I don't know, mine cannot log on. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, please let me know on the comment section, guys. What is it that you're looking for today? I don't have much. I don't see much. What is it that you're looking for? What are you trading today? Sure. Oratile, you're trading a heavy thing, my friend. Pounds. What's the spread on that? Okay, it seems like I was able to log in on my other PC here. Just want to check out what are the guys up to now. Sure, this was beautiful. $1.05. This was beautiful, beautiful setup. You know, all I can say, guys, is that I've traded with a lot of people in my life, but one thing I can tell you about this current team that I have, man, these guys are killing it. These guys are killing it. I mean, look at the entry here. beautiful, 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 beautiful setup. Right, for those of you that are watching and say, Mr. President, we want to join these guys, how do we do it? You just have to click on the link down below there where it says Octa. Octa underscore trade with MJ there. There it is on the first line there. And sign up, fund your account, and join us. Mr. President, my name is Tidiso from Witbank. Tobile is my wife, but she's the one who opened the Octa account for me. Now everything says hey. Oh, okay. Good to see you. Good to see you. I like it when I see couples working together, man, especially for financial gain. You know, always like it. Game XAUUSD is saying I used to hold my trades to hit TP, and moves they end up going my direction, and after hits SLS my account end up on going nowhere, just losing and recovering for quite some time. Now when I see $50 profit, I just close. Sometimes I lock them. I know I can see my account growing. You won't believe I struggled with this for a year maybe. Like I always say, choppers, you know, one thing about trading is that everyone has got his own way of making money. You know, as long as you are progressing, man. As long as you are progressing, that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Use a method that is working. So it's good to see that GameX. Yeah, Oratil is trading pound ZA. Oratila, my friend, I can let me try to play a game with you. I'm sure you are the only one holding yours. I'm sure the only one trading that. Out of all the people that are watching here, I'm sure you're the only one trading pound ZA. If you are also trading pound ZA like Oratila, please let me know in the comment section. If no one is gonna say anything, then yeah, Oratila, I won against you, buddy. But I can assure you that thing, I'm sure the spread is crazy. Anonymous US30 is saying USD Japanese. We're gonna have a look at it now. I'm looking to buy gold at $2,666 an ounce. Oradile saying the spread is crazy, Mara the pair pays well from 25 to 110. Yeah, remember, if it pays well, it can also take well. If it pays well, it can take well. Then you must go again, draw from the well. Well, it is well. Made a new high again, 44,000, almost 45,000. What happened here? Whew. Can you believe that US30 went to 44,999? This is brutal. This is brutal. Right, I'm only going to sell, remember, at 44,811. That's where I'm going to sell this thing. Let's look at our WTI. WTI is calling us to be taking some trades there. I tell you now that if I close with the rejection candle on my POC, right, this will be my third attempt on buying WTI. If I lose this one, choppers, I'm telling you, I'm not trading WTI this week again. If I lose this trade, I'm telling you, I'm not trading this thing. Let me see around 5 o'clock, but news are coming. Maybe this one will not be affected much, but I'm gonna attempt to buy this thing one more time. If I lose it, then I'm done with WTI. I'm gonna look for other assets. Let's see gold. Gold is not giving us much. Only up by 0.8%. Can it be up by 1%? Yes, there's a possibility. Choppers, if you just join us, please don't forget to like the stream. Ensure that you like the stream. Chidis was asking me, Mr. President, is there a specific reason why you are trading the 15 minutes time frame? Yes, there is. Because I'm an intraday trader, you know. I like scalping. So yeah, I've been trading 15 minutes for for the longest time now. 15 minutes is my favorite time frame. So the reason why is that it's when I'm on the station, right? So remember, I always say to you guys, every trader have their own way of trading. So sometimes you would find that you trade for hours because maybe you're at work and you cannot trade, you want to swing. So I'm just a day trader, right? When I'm on the system, I get setups, I take them, and I'm out, in and out. And if I'm trading 15 minutes, I need to be in a trade for 2 hours. If in 2 hours I'm not in deep profits or loss, I close it. So yeah, I'm just a day trader. I'm a day trader. But 15 minutes for me is the best. I've tried a lot of time frames. Only crypto I'm holding it from 4 hours. Remember when we called that Bitcoin from 60,000? It was on 4 hours. So only crypto I'm holding it on 4 hours, but most of these assets 15 minutes. Fela, beautiful name. When I'm done with writing my book, I'm going to mention you guys. A lot of names here. I'm going to mention you guys. I'm gonna give a special shout out to you guys. You know, because you have beautiful names, man. I like your names. Fela. You know what that means? You know what that means? Fela. It's like you're blessing. You're just blessing. Beautiful name, man. I can name a strategy after your name, my good sir or my good ma'am. What advice do you have for an individuals who considering trading in 2025? The best advice I can give anyone for 2025 is that get in trading, go in hard, don't look back. And what I mean by going hard, I don't mean lot size or entering trades. I mean your investment in the business, your investment in the craft. You know, put all your mind, your head, your soul in. Get in with all your legs for 2025 if you are considering trading. And just get one person that you look up to. That will be my advice. Get one individual that you look up to, or two, maybe, or three. But follow someone that you relate to, right? That is realistic to your real world. Okay, so that's my advice, Fela. Those considering trading in 2025, that's my advice to them. Get on with, if you have 4 legs, get on with your 4 legs. If there are 3, get in with all your legs. Don't even look back. Don't even look back. Okay, I'm just going to remove this because I'm about to enter my trade now on this at 5 p.m. Wish me well, guys. Like I said, if I lose this one again, I'm done with WTI for the week. Lost 2 trades already on W. And remember, these are A grades, eh? These are A grade setups that I lost, man, from Monday. So if I lose this one, I don't know. I don't know. WTI has been bleeding me money. It's been bleeding me money this week. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join us on daily basis, join our group. Just fund your account with Okta and you're good to go to join us. So normally this is what I do. For those that are not in the group, I normally send this in the morning, which is our Zoom link. You see the topic there says 7 a.m. club. Then I send it around 19 past 6 because we meet every 7 a.m. rather. Okay, Tuso, my good friend. Tuso, you need to come back on the stream, my friend. A lot of people have been asking me about you. We need to sort it out. Tuso, send something here. Seems like Tuso is looking at selling this at $1.05. Sure. Hardcore. 1 minute. This is a chopper taking a trade on 1 minute. No fear. No fear at all. I've never seen such brave traders in my life. 1 minute. Life. Yeah. All the best, my friend. Let's go back to our WTI. Ladies and gentlemen, if you believe in prayer, you believe in God, I believe with you. We are together on WTI. I'm telling you, man, I lose it, I'm out of this thing. Hopefully I don't break anything that is near me if I lose this one. So you see, the safest trade, right? The safest trade here would be if I break, because we are now trading at $69, 2 cents a barrel, right? If I break this and I retest at least $69.16, this will be the safest, right? Considering that I've already lost 2 trades already on this one. So I just needed an acceleration to the upside, and then I come back to that $69, and let me see if I find a nice rejection candle or an indecision candlestick, all in full margin. See ya. Good to see you, my friend. Tidis is saying, I have really improved ever since I started watching your analysis, even though I'm still struggling a bit with top-down analysis and patience. I'm glad you are learning, my friend. I'm glad. That's what this stream is all about. uh I sometimes get people, asking me, the live stream, is it signals, is it what? And I normally say to them, this is for educational purpose, man. um you don't understand how you guys inspire me. You see me here, you must know that you guys, wherever you are watching me from, whatever situation you are facing now, you inspire me with your losses, with your wins, for the fact that you, week in, week out, you are here. Um, you inspire me. You inspire me. I mean, when I started with this thing, it was just something I had in my head, But every now and then I have to do something. I'm just remembering you guys. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. Taviso is saying all the best with WTR. Thank you, my friend. Tabza, good to see you, my friend. Betchafel is saying, I would like to analyze the chat with you, Mr. President 2025. You're more than welcome, my friend. You're more than welcome. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. We had technical issues with Tuso at some point when he joined me on the live stream, but we are going to fix that. We are definitely going to fix that and have you guys rotate on a monthly basis, right? Right, let's see if we can break above, come back to that $69.20. Where can we find our support on NASDAQ? Seems like that British pound respected that 786 retracement fib at $1.26. So right, seems like Bitcoin found some feet at 91,665 or 75. I wanted to see if I can reload at 90,000, but yeah, let's see if we can go back there. There's something interesting I see with this US30, for the fact that we had a retracement, or we had a reversal at 44,999. I mean, This is amazing. This is amazing. It's amazing to see that. So Mnyage hit his TP on 1 minute. So this was his setup and this was his analysis, right? Look at how spot on these guys are. Look at this. So this is what he wrote. Choppers found an entry motive on 1 minute time frame, had a massive displacement to the upside, and I'm counter trading on this trade aiming liquidity resting below STP1, right? This is where he took his trade on 1 minute. Look at the balls these guys have on 1 minute. In no time, TP1 already hit. He's on his way for TP2. Well done, man. Well done. I think that's what the industry needs. It needs people that are brutal, man, and they are not. They believe in their strategy, right? And that's what the Choppers Funded is all about. People who believe in what they do. They believe in themselves. They believe in their strategy. They are not looking back. They go for it. I mean, when was the last time you had somebody trade 1 minute? It's sometimes good trading 1 minute on euro dollar. It's not bad because obviously the spread is not against you. Unlike you are trading British pounds on 1 minute. I don't know. That can always be against you, you know. So yeah, Tuso, well done, my friend. Well done. I think he hit his TP2. Tuso, you should hit your TP2 by now. Let's have a look. TP2 is at $1.539. Where are we currently trading at now? $1.530. So 39 will be around here. Okay. Yeah, he hit his TP2. Well done, my friend. Well done. All right, now. Now, you see, when you come to key significant areas like this, right? I've learned this over the years that I will never buy such, right? Because chances are this thing is going to drop before it can go to the upside. So I might take a scalp I might take a scalp to the downside. I might take a scalp to the downside, in and out. Okay. So that British pound respected our 786 there. How do we normally catch this ones? If this is your reset, this is your one. You put fib from the high to your low, right? It's called 2 to high, right? 2 to high, right? So it's 2 to high like this. Okay. And your execution strike zone will always be 3. That's how we trade our Fibonacci retracement strategy, right? So we use a fib for this particular strategy. Why? The reason why we do that is that we know that when the market is trending, retail traders, they see something like this, they are all in, right? Thinking that it's a continuation. We want them to be trapped first so that the market comes at this level here and then you drop. Okay, take your fib from that to that. There you go. You've got your 786, and you can drop to the downside. So that's how we trade that. So yeah, TP hit, TP2 hit, Tuso killed it. Gold I can only buy above 2,660, right? That's where I can buy gold. Can we take a buy here on NASDAQ? Maybe if I'm down by 1%. This is what I like doing on NASDAQ. If I see that it's down at least by 0.72%, I let it go at least 2.1% before I can look for buying opportunities. My WTI is still playing in one area, not moving at all. I'm still waiting for it, watching it like a hawk. Still watching. So yeah, let's see what happens. Oh, by the way, guys, before I forget, so from the 3rd of December, we're gonna have 2 live streams. I'm gonna have an Octa live stream on Telegram. So it's three traders that will be trading with you guys from Octa, right? So I'm gonna be doing morning sessions. Please ensure that you join me. It's the 3rd of December, from the 3rd of December until the 5th, right? So I think that's next week Tuesday until Thursday, right? So I'm gonna be doing the morning sessions with you guys, and the other guys will be doing afternoon and evening, right? So yeah, just ensure that you join me there and stand a chance to win $2,100, right? Stand a chance to win that. You can at least have something for yourself this December, right? I would be honored to see a chopper win. I'll be honored to see a chopper win. Ladies and gentlemen, that WTI is not biting. Remember, I'm waiting for break retest. Anything that is below my POC, it's not going to give me a setup. But as long as I'm above my POC, that's when I can look for buying opportunities. So it seems like I'm gonna leave WTI and maybe focus on euro dollar or even British pound. So on euro dollar, like I said, if I get something going up, maybe $1.555, then I can look to the downside, take my TP here, and maybe this thing can reload back to the upside, right? As for NASDAQ is still dropping, like I said, now down by 0.89%. Once NASDAQ is down by 1%, maybe that's when I can say I can look for buying opportunities on NASDAQ. Maybe that's what I can do. What else do we have? We have US30. US30 we are looking for selling opportunities just below 44,000. We had a very interesting reversal there at 44,999. So yeah, let's see what happens there, and yeah, let's take it from there. So for you to participate in it's called the trade marathon, right? So every day I'll be sending some setups, and we'll be discussing the markets there. Ensure that you join us. It's on Telegram. I'll send the link on the group just now, how you can join, right? And I'll see you there. So yeah, every day from the 3rd to the 5th, join me. I'll be one of the traders there. That's my take on gold. NASDAQ down by 0.9%. Wait for it to hit 1%. Wait for it to hit 1%. JSMFX say how much do we deposit to get access to trading with you on Octa? $25, my friend. Minimum deposit, but if you have $1 million, you can put it. You have $1,000, you can put it. You have $25, you can put it. So minimum deposit is $25. So just ensure you use my link and send me a WhatsApp. When you are done, send me a WhatsApp. I'll add you on the group, right? Because a lot of you are always asking me, what is the Octa funded? So the Octa funded is this group, right? The Octa funded is this group, right? This is the Octa funded group. Okay, here you can send your setups. By the way, I forgot to let you guys know that I need to just after the stream, I'm going to release a video on what we had on Friday. Remember Friday we had class about COT. I still have a video also to release about Forex calculator. So all those sessions were recorded. I just have to release them for you guys that are on the choppers funded, right? Right, NASDAQ, in the next maybe minute or so, NASDAQ will be down by 1%. Currently down by 0.99%. So yeah, can tell you without a doubt. There it is, down by 1%, right? So that's what I was waiting for. Down by 1%. Tell you what, JSMFX, just send me a WhatsApp when you are done making your deposit, right? Use my link, by the way. Don't just use any link, right? Use my link. There's a link there down below. Check out my link down below there. Octa_trade with MJ. And if you need a bonus, 100% bonus, if you sign up and you don't use, you want the bonus and you don't use my promo code, you won't get 100% bonus, right? Hey, that WTI, I can tell you now without a doubt, it's gone to the downside. maybe I can reload at but it's still playing within a box, right? Selling opportunities will have to come if I break below this. That's when I can look for selling opportunities on WTI. Shadrach is asking, Mr. Givens, when will you post the video about Texas? One thing I can tell you, my friend, is that the video was recorded last night at 1 a.m. Not even last night, this morning. I recorded the SARS video this morning at 1 a.m. So they're still editing it. It should be out. It was supposed to be out tonight, but I think it's going to be out either tomorrow or Friday. But I can promise you, Shadrach, you will see the video before Saturday. That one I can promise you. This week the video is coming out. We just shot it from 1 a.m. That's when we shot that video, right? Just this morning, that's when we shot that. It's a hectic schedule, and we are just trying to keep up, man. It's just a whole lot of work, but yeah, by God's grace, we are going to gain some strength and see what happens. You know, my psychology, the psychology in me now is telling me I'm peep hunting right now. I can feel that I'm peep hunting. I'm desperate for a trade. That is just the psychology in me. I'm so desperate for a trade. So desperate for a trade, which is not a good thing. So I need to make decisions with my mind, not with my feelings. By the way, we are streaming again tomorrow. We are not streaming Friday. We are streaming again tomorrow. We are not streaming Friday. We're gonna stream again tomorrow. Friday I'm not available. I have something I have to attend to. So yeah, we are streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow, be ready for live streaming. Same time, same place. Let's have a look at AUD USD. Oh, someone asked me for USD Japanese. So our analysis on USD Japanese on Monday was to sell here at 786. It was to sell here at 786. Went exactly the way we had anticipated, and we wanted to sell again here at 152 Japanese yen against the dollar. So yeah, that's my analysis on this one. So yeah. JSMFX is saying, where do I enter the promo code? When you make a deposit there, you will have an option for promo code. I don't wanna remember, I'm not an Okta representative, and it's actually against the law to give you guys tips on how you make a deposit and whatnot. But all I can say is that when you make a deposit, there's normally an option there for you to enter the promo code. And if you get stuck, you can always click on support there. They are going to assist you within seconds. Right, they are going to assist you within seconds. Komote say you make decisions with your mind, my president, not your feelings. 100%. Yes, my good friend, that's where I am right now. I feel like my feelings wants to take over. That's how I feel, because I've been losing from yesterday. I lost yesterday. I lost. In fact, I lost Monday. I lost yesterday. Today, I haven't taken a trade. So I feel like I'm just under pressure, you know, and that is not good. And that's how I'm debating with myself right now. Why do you need to take a trade, right? So that's the questions I'm asking myself. Is it because I want to cover my losses? Is it because time is running out? So that's where I am right now. I'm battling with my mind, and I need to rebuke that mentality of me trying to make decisions with emotions. Zanelen Game is saying, afternoon, Mr. President, funded my Okta last week. However, I didn't use your link. So does this disqualify me for being in the group? Nope. Drop me a text. I'll tell you what to do. There's what we call change link. You change to my link, so it's never too late. It's never too late. So Zanella, just text me after this, or text me now. For those of you that are sending me WhatsApp, I will respond to you when I'm done with the stream. The thing with me is that I don't like being on my phone when I'm trading. That's my rule. I don't touch my phone when I'm trading. So yeah. I will attend to you once I'm done here. I know sometimes it's frustrating that you are sending me texts during the live stream and I'm not responding to you. My phone right now is on flight mode. I don't answer calls. I don't take emails. I don't take calls. I don't take WhatsApp, text, nothing when I'm trading, because I'm at work. So I need to focus on the game. I need to focus on my work. My work needs attention. It needs me to pay much attention. But I can promise you, after the stream, I'll attend to all of you. All right, if you also want to discuss with me trading related business, you want to send me business proposals, you want to collaborate with me, you want to partner with me, you can always send me an email at mj@tradewithmj.co.za. And if you want information about our services, you can always send your email to our reception. I'll just send it to you guys now. Mr. President, what you're going through now, I experience it every day. I really need advices to shake off. I'm impatient and I'm always itching to trade. Yeah, the reason why so that happens to you is that you are a human being, right? You are a human being, and now I always say to a lot of people that you are not a bad trader. You are not stupid. You are not dumb. You are not slow. You are a human being, and unfortunately, trading business is it has a lot of odds against being a human being. That's the unfortunate part, that our trading business is always against who we are as human beings. That's why it's difficult to make money, because of how we are designed, right? So it's just a human thing. It will happen. You just have to know when you are feeling the way you are feeling. Like, just follow your rules, man. Always put down the rules. You know what made me disciplined in trading is rules. You know, like just now when I'm talking to you guys and I was telling you that I feel like I'm about to make wrong decisions, I just opened up my trading plan here, and I went to the section where it talks about emotions and just checked what is it that I need to do during a time like this. And I just read a certain clause there, and I feel like now I'm fine, you know. So just have something written down that is going to assist you, because if you don't have something that is going to put you in line with what you need to do, you are going to be ungovernable, right? So you don't want to run a business that doesn't have bylaws, right? Your rules in trading is your bylaws, right? What are the bylaws in your business? So that's what you need to also do. Because how do you write business bylaws, especially on an individual capacity? You write these bylaws based on the experience you've had before. I mean, I know I've been here before. I've been in this situation before. So I just need to look back. How did I overcome once? If I have overcame something once, then I can definitely overcome again. The people that also trade with me on the trading floor, they will tell you, when I feel like my emotions are all over the place, I close my system and I go home. They will tell you straight, I just go home, because I don't want to mess up my business because of feelings. I wouldn't want to hire someone in my business and mess up my company because of feelings and emotions, you know. So I normally go. Emotions in trading, they play a very vital role. I had a meeting today with a certain company from Colombia. They've designed an app that is assisting traders to deal with emotions. So they were just showcasing it to me, and they want me to try it out, you know. So I'm still gonna try it out from next week. So it's more like your Notion and my FX book, but way too advanced. So I'll have a look at it, and yeah, I think those are the things that can assist you. Anonymous is saying gold is approaching support level. Yeah, I think we are already at this support here at 2,640. I want to see how we hold there. NASDAQ, it seems like it's not waiting for anyone to go to the upside. I think NASDAQ can find retracement here in between this. That's my take. I think it might bounce off around this area here. That is just my take on NASDAQ here. That's my take on NASDAQ. I think that's what can happen. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to let you guys know the good news. I forgot to announce this also on the group. Mr. Buthelezi, we know him as Mr. Marava Stud, is getting married this coming weekend. Congratulations to you, my good sir. If you are watching, salute to you. All the best. Marriage is a good thing, my brother. And yeah, Mr. Butelis is getting married this weekend. More blessings to you and your wife, man. Also, if you are in Durban, please be reminded that we are opening our trading floor in Durban next year, just before June. The trading floor will be up and running. So also, if you are in Durban, hit me up on WhatsApp so that I can put you on our database. The reason why I say we might find this thing reversing here, I'll tell you why. Just because we broke this level here, many will sell. And once we arrive at 20,691, many will want to sell again to come here. And again, you find others bought here. Maybe they put their stop loss here. So you find that buyers and sellers are screwed at the same time. And you find this thing going to the upside. So that's my take on this. I think we might reverse in between this price here, 20,658 and 20,725. That's my take on NASDAQ. That WTI is still not moving, still sideways, still playing around. No setup at all on WTI. I hear Mr. President loud and clear. I once said to my wife, if I was trading for a company, I could have been fired by now because of my trading on impulse and bad emotions. Yeah, I think that's also a good example, a good analogy, sir, that if you were trading for a company, would you really hire yourself? If you were to work for a company, right, would you really hire yourself? If your answer is no, then really you need to change the way you do things. There you go. NASDAQ is still pushing down by 1.27%. Can we return here? But remember, if one would buy here, it has to come like this, a rejection candlestick, right? Oops, let me do this. Just wanna do nope. Sure. Entering NASDAQ now will be too risky. I'm gonna take this on big rate, right? If I do take this. If I'm going to scalp this, where can I put my stop loss? Risk reward doesn't work out on NASDAQ. Risk reward doesn't work out on NASDAQ. Let's see what happens at quarter-to-6 on NASDAQ. Tato Manamele saying any predictions on gold, Mr. President? Not yet, my friend. I want to see how we are holding this level here. And I want to buy at above 2,660. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish on gold. I'm definitely bullish on gold. Let's see that euro dollar. Remember, we are streaming again tomorrow. Remember, we're streaming again. Please, let's be early tomorrow and try to catch as many pips as possible. Let's see. Are we holding the price at 20,720? Got a notification on the group. Rory is selling DXY. Beautiful trade there, Rory. Beautiful. almost close to 2p. Yeah, the reason why I'm not taking this NASDAQ is that my risk reward doesn't make sense. It gives me 1.1.5, right? So it doesn't give me 1:2, it gives me 1:1.5. Hence you see me not taking this NASDAQ buy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. My 2 hours is up. I have to bounce. I'll see you guys in the morning for 7 a.m. For those of you that wants to join me on my group, this is the group the Choppers funded. You know what to do. Just use the link down below there and sign up with Octa. Make your deposit. Minimum deposit is $25. And yeah, let me know so that I can add you on the group. Thank you so much. And if you have a business proposal, you want to partner with me, or you want to venture into something but you are not sure, you can always send it to my email address, mj@tradewithmj.co.za. And if you need more information about our services, you can email info@tradewithmj.co.za or call this number 087-265-9710. That's our office number there, and you'll be assisted with regards to services that we have and also about the trading floor in Pretoria. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the morning. Remember, we are streaming again tomorrow at same time, same place, 4 o'clock. We'll be streaming again tomorrow, so be sure to be there. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other side. Choppers, good night.